Okay guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the DC Flash exclusive ring and chest emblem from GameStop. I picked this up for $65 online. There is only 10,000 and they still have them by the time I'm posting this video. So you have a sticker on the back. And here where it shows the Flash symbol, that's actually his suit on there. There's the pecs and there's all those details. So for most of this I'm going to get up close and I'll show you how the emblem looks on my shirt and all the other stuff. Okay, so here's the close-up. You can see that we have number 929 out of 10,000. But what I have noticed is that it looks like it's covered up, like it was a different number. But here's what I was talking about with the chest emblem and the two pecs. So that's like his suit right there. Nothing else on the box. So the first thing we're gonna notice is this beautiful chest emblem and the ring. But we're gonna start off by looking at what's behind this foam. Okay, so here we have a certificate of authenticity. It also looks like that was covered up right there, that 929. Here's that if you wanna read that. And here's the beautiful art of the Flash. Now the first thing you're gonna notice, or that we're gonna go over, is the Flash ring. Now here's how it looks. Now, I do have two of these rings. I didn't buy this collectible twice, but I did get the ring off the AMC website for $75. Just the ring, really beautiful. But here's why I like the AMC one more. It's the exact same thing. They're the exact same ring, but you can see that this one has like no seam in the middle. This one has a big seam in the middle. Oops. So, look at that. There's a big seam. I don't know why, because this one that's really beautiful has a magnet sticking out. It looks so good. But basically how this works is it just opens up on the two sides like that. And then there's his suit in the middle. So I really like that about this collectible. And the next thing we have is the pin. I didn't even know this was called a pin until I read the certificate of authenticity. But here it is. So just like in the movie, this white center glows like different colors. It glows in the dark. And it says the Flash. And basically you just attach this to the front of your shirt and this to the back. And it holds the emblem on. So you could just walk around with this on your shirt. No problems, nothing at all. Has some weight to it. It's really beautiful. I expected this to be bigger because like my Moon Knight collectible came in a really big box. Flat, but it didn't need to be that big. So I expected this to be much bigger. But I love how this is so tiny and compatible to take with you anywhere you want. So I'll show some photos at the end of this video of me wearing this pin. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. This is a really good GameStop exclusive. I guess it just depends on what ring you get. If you're not happy with what you get, you could send it back. But I think I'll keep mine just like that. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so here is the pin. I just connected the two magnets on the back. This fits really well. Some of my other collectibles, it like pulls my shirt down. It looks all droopy. But this looks really good. It's a tight connection, and it just comes off easy, and it glows blue in the dark. So that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said before, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.